Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the power button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can press and hold on the screen to open the watch face menu. Here you can scroll through the list of watch faces by swiping on the screen, but as you can see we have only one at the moment. To expand this list, simply find this option, add watch face, tap on it, and then scroll through the list of watch faces, find the one you would like to use on your watch and tap on it. For example, I don't know, maybe this one. And once you tap on it, it will be added to the list as you can see. You can also remove the watch faces from the list by tapping on the minus button on them, like that. Let's add something else. Okay, and once you have multiple watch faces on the list and you want to change a watch face, find the watch face you would like to use and then tap on it to select it and apply it, like this. You can also customize some of the watch faces by tapping on the customize button under them in the watch face menu, and this will allow you to change a couple of things, for example colors, as you can see, and the basically the colors for the background, accent and stuff like that. Or we can also add widgets, so you can select the compilation or complication, for example battery and the date, and then we can press the home button or rather power button to apply the changes, like this. You can also change the watch face through the phone application on the phone that is paired with your watch. So I'm gonna bring my phone right here and move the watch to the side, this to the side, bring the phone, zoom out the camera like this, and once you bring the phone, you can open the Galaxy wearable application on it, and in the app you should see your Galaxy Watch 6 right here on the page, and also you should see the watch faces option. Tap on it. We have the list of watch faces here. Find the watch face you would like to use, tap on it to select it, and then tap on allow and install if you need to install it. Oh, this one won't work because we need to log into a Samsung account, so let's find something else. Basically the watch faces with the download button, you will need to basically download them and install them, so you need to log in into a Samsung account. So let's find a different one, for example this one. This one needs update, but I'm gonna tap on later, and let's see, should be applied as you can see, like this. Basically they switch automatically when you select them, and once you're done you can close the app. And that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.